Hey everyone, this is Anurag Ray from PetStumbalWarrior.com, and in this video I'm going to talk about will lizard eat fish. Now before we continue this video, don't forget to click on the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you can receive updates about my videos when it is uploaded and also help my channel grow. Now the normal small lizard cannot eat big fish, which is an obvious thing. Rather the fish can eat the lizard in this case. But if the lizard is big, like there are different kind of iguanas, there are different kind of bigger lizards, like monitor lizard, then there are Komodo dragons. They can definitely eat fish, rather big fish over there. Now, usually they don't go that far to actually eat the fish all the time, but they usually eat the fish that are on the surface or that are swimming in the shallow water, where they can clearly hunt the fish. Now, there are also lizard species out there. There are the marine iguanas, who kind of looks like a Godzilla. They can actually go in, dive into the water and hold their breath for a really long time, and they definitely eat fish. And their body is developed in a way that they can go underwater and hunt whatever they want to hunt. Now this feature is not available in all kind of lizards, but this is just marine species of the iguana that can actually do that. Others are not actually capable of doing that. But in general, the fish that are eaten by these kind of big lizards are the ones that easily come to the surface, get stranded over there, or come close to the surface in the shallow water. Those are the fish that lizards eats. Now, since lizards are omnivorous, there is no question they can eat fish because they are opportunistic creature. Whatever they can, they eat. Now, protein is really important factor for them, and fish is rich in protein. So there is no reason for a lizard to not eat fish, and they are relatively easy food to capture because if they're hunting smaller fish, there is nothing to really worry about while they're hunting these fish, because these fish are not going to harm the lizard in any way. Now, definitely, if they're going against a shark or something like that, that is not going to work. But for smaller fishes, there is no other challenge when they're hunting them, except if they're going to hunt in the crocodile territory. And this is also a very common phenomenon where the lizard actually enters the crocodile territory. As you know, crocodiles are much bigger, even for the bigger lizards, even for bigger than the monitor lizards, and even bigger, or almost the size of a Komodo dragon. Now, because of these reasons, this crocodile can attack a lizard and also eat them. And so, because of that reason, they have to be very careful, especially when they are going in that crocodile territory. Now, if they get to eat the fish from the crocodile territory, if they have the opportunity, then they will definitely do that. But it's definitely a very big risk even for the lizard. So, they usually hunt fish, but that's not their main food all the time, because there are so many other foods that they can do in a much risk-free environment. Because if they're going to go to the fish, then they cannot even spot the crocodile very properly. If the crocodile attacks the lizard, then there is a game over for the lizard. So they are opportunistic creatures, and they are also careful about what they are going to hunt and what they are going to do. So because of that reason, they tend to the surface and they eat whatever they can on the surface, like the eggs, then different kind of birds and whatever they can, smaller animals. So these are the main primary concept of their food. But if they get the opportunities, there is no question that they will take it and go to the nearby places where they can find the fish, and then definitely they will find and eat the fish. Now, if there is a lot of opportunity for the lizard, then the lizard can also change their appetite and does primarily depend on the fish. This can also happen if there is a lot of shortage of food in that particular place where the lizard lives. Then they can definitely go and find a place where they can get more food. And if the pond is providing them with the food, there is a lot of fishes, then they will go there and eat those fishes as much as possible, and that can even become their primary food, because as I mentioned before, they are opportunistic creatures and they are good at hunting, and along with that, they have the teeth that are necessary to hunt this fish, so it's not a big problem to hunt a fish. And since this fish will not pose any threat for the lizard, so it's a win-win situation for the lizard. Now, if one of the lizards is able to find this kind of places where there are a lot of fishes, and especially stranded fishes or fishes that are captured in a small pond, then there will not be just one lizard, there will be a lot of lizards over there who will be eating these fishes. And definitely there is no question that the lizard can eat fish. Rather, they would love to eat them if they get a lot of chances, but they don't always get them because there are a lot of predators in the wild that can even kill a lizard. So they have to be very careful while they are going to the riverbank or whatever there is, because there are a lot of predators over there. There are bigger predators over there who are going to drink water. So going near a water is definitely of risk, because there can be crocodile, there can be other big animals like lion, tiger, or whatever, and they can also kill the lizard. So they have to be very careful. finding this opportunity in the wild is quite difficult, but it's not that it's not available. If they get the opportunity, they will definitely take it. So that's it for this video. I hope you're finding something useful from this video. And if you really enjoyed this video, don't forget to click on the like, comment, and subscribe button. I put in 2 videos every single week. That is on Monday and Friday. So don't forget to click on the subscribe button, click on notification bell. Thank you.